Hi everybody. I am a satisfied customer. After Rollins company came here and put the gutter covers on my gutters. For years I would be cleaning the leaves and all of the debris out of the gutters. My wife, every time I get up there, kept telling me, don't get up there, you might fall, you could get hurt. But I kept doing it, and there was a sense of satisfaction after cleaning out the gutters and knowing that I keep them from falling off or doing any more harm or damage to them. But finally I called Rollins company, and they came over and they took a look at it, told me what I needed, and gave me a great deal, and they put the covers on, and I have not been up on the roof since. And thus far it looks like no more debris gathering in my gutters. I'm a very satisfied customer, and I would recommend them to any of you that are considering getting your gutters covered by Rollins Incorporated. They're outstanding, and of course they came out, took a look at it, and gave me the estimate, and I'm just a satisfied customer, and I want to recommend them highly to you because I don't have to go up on the roof anymore. I'm very happy about that, and so is my wife.